Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Have you been looking for that perfect pickup truck, but you don't want to spend $70,000 or $50,000 or $30,000 or even $25,000, but you can't find that perfect truck? Well, sit back, sit down. Let me tell you about this thing. That's right, this is our 2017 Dodge Ram. This is the Bighorn package. This thing is very clean and it's very well equipped. You can see you do have your front sonar in your bumper there to let you know when you're getting close to something when you're pulling up, because this truck does set pretty tall. So it is nice to have that front sonar there. You do have your 20-inch wheels, which are really nice, and you do have really good tires on there. They're Cooper Discoveries. They're very good and in really good condition. Of course, you have your running boards. I love the tinted window on that burgundy color scheme. Really sharp. Of course, you have your puddle lamps in your side view mirrors, and those are heated and power folding, which is awesome because when you park this big thing, you're taking up all the parking place. Push a button, fold your mirrors, don't think twice about it. Keeps the mirrors safe. And then, of course, you have your tow package, because this is the Bighorn package with the HEMI. That's going to give you 395 horsepower with 410 foot-pounds of torque. Tons of power to pull or haul whatever you need. You see, you do have the tow package with the two plugs there, so it'll accommodate any trailer plug that you might have. You do have the RC bed cover there that will flip and fold up, and you have a bed liner in there, which is really nice. Again, the running boards that makes it very simple to get in and out. Inside here, look at that. Absolutely love that color combination with the burgundy with that brown interior. Is just absolutely awesome. That's my preferred color there. Then of course you have your cooler box there that will keep ice in there. You can actually take that out, dump it, and haul your drinks or whatever you need there. And then of course the seat will fold up. It does on the other side as well. Back here you're going to have this shelf there, which is awesome. That shelf all the way across will let you accommodate anything, put your dog in there, whatever you want to do. You have a power outlet back there as well, and a folding center armrest in the back. Coming up front here, we're going to have all of our power options, and again, there's some power folding mirrors, which is really neat. Auto headlamps, of course, power driver's seat. Then you do have that awesome color combo. Tons of space in that oversized center console, duplicate audio controls, and you can shift up and down there, which is really nice. That Tiptronic transmission is good if you're hauling something or just driving down a mountain. You can kind of gear down, save your brakes. Awesome features. Then you do have your duplicate audio controls in the back. This one does have the upgraded 8.4-inch display, which is awesome, especially with that awesome backup camera. When you put it in reverse, it's very easy to see what's behind you. And again, you do have backup sonar as well as front sonar. Then you have automatic climate control, of course, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive auto, then four-wheel drive high and four low for any terrain that you might need. And I love that console. Tinted mirror there, power sliding rear view mirror window. Again, super clean. This Carfax on this thing is perfect, with over 25 service records available, which is incredible. It's nice to have that service history with no accidents, no damage, nothing showing on the Carfax report, which is awesome. And at City Motors, we're going to give you a 6-month, 7,500-mile warranty. That is coast to coast, so if you're out of the area, have no fear. You can buy here knowing you're covered where you are. No processing fees here at City Motors. That's no processing fees. Let me say it again. No processing fees. Pay attention to that. Dealers are getting stupid with what they're trying to charge for processing fees and hidden fees. None of that here. What you see is what you get under $25,000. Full-size pickup truck, great miles, warranty, no fees. Get here quick. This thing is not going to sit long. Thanks for stopping by.